Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up search alerts on OfferUp. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're shopping for a certain item on this third-party marketplace. How do you actually go ahead and set up search alerts? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're going to do is that you're going to go into your OfferUp account. Then on the upper right-hand side, you want to click on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says search alerts. So as you can see, I have some saved search alerts here. Now you can go ahead and delete different search alerts that you don't want to add it here. So we can delete this one and we can delete this one. Now, as far as actually adding search alerts go though, if we go back onto the OfferUp homepage and then click on search, here we'll just type in a random toy like Pokemon. And then what you'll do here is that on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on that alert icon with a magnifying glass, and that is going to go ahead and save you as a search alert. So now if we go back into the home page and then click on the profile icon on the upper right hand corner and then scroll down to where it says search alerts, you'll see that we've now saved Pokemon as a search alert on our OfferUp account. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up search alerts on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.